Welcome to our comparison of two mini portable washing machines, the Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine and the Elevon Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for your laundry needs or something that can handle larger loads, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine offers an 11-liter capacity, making it suitable for small loads such as baby clothes and delicates. In contrast, the Elevon Portable Washing Machine boasts a total capacity of 28 pounds, with an 18-pound washer and a 10-pound spinner. This significant difference allows the Elevon to handle larger laundry loads, making it a better choice for families or those with more substantial laundry needs. In terms of design, the Swatch features a compact and foldable design, ideal for travel and small spaces. It is lightweight and easy to store. On the other hand, the Elevon has a twin tub design that allows for separate washing and spinning, which can save time and increase efficiency. However, this design is bulkier compared to the Swatch, which might be a consideration for those with limited space. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The Swatch Mini Portable Washing Machine is priced at $65, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Elevon Portable Washing Machine is priced at $177, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. While the Elevon may offer more functionality, the Swatch provides a cost-effective solution for those who need a simple and portable washing machine. In conclusion, both the Swatch and Elevon portable washing machines offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. The Swatch is perfect for those who prioritize portability and affordability, while the Elevon is ideal for users who require a larger capacity and more features. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.